McKay.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am the Freebie Babe for those of you that are new, and I talk about all things freebies and things that you can get for a very good deal. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Allure beauty box, okay? And you guys can get these for a great deal. So these are a monthly subscription box, and I will have all the information across the screen so that you guys can sign up if you're interested in trying this out. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, I cannot wait. This box has been sitting here for a few days, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this box so you all can see what is in store for beauty this month. So it says from the beauty experts. So the first thing here is just like a little pamphlet, and on the inside of it, it just basically gives you details about each product. And let's see what else they have. Okay, that's much better. It was super bright. So yeah, this is called Saturday Skin, and this is a refining peel gel. This is a 2.5 ounce container here, and I want to see what it smells like. Oh wow, they got this thing sealed tight. Smells good. I just can't think of what it smells like. Yeah, it smells good. I just can't think of what it smells like. Okay, so this next one here comes from one of my favorite companies, okay, L'Occitane. So L'Occitane has the Reset Knew It, okay? They have this Reset Serum, and when I tell you, it smells so good along with everything else this company has. Now, I do already have this. I got this from another beauty box company, and yeah, trust me, that is definitely worth the money. So this next one here is the Super Moisture Lipstick from True and Luscious. Oh, I hope it's in my color, because if I'm not mistaken, I think you just sign up for Allure. I don't remember choosing like a lip color, but it is a beautiful color though. Very pretty. And yeah, this is what it looks like on the outside. Let's see. We'll know in a minute if it's my color. No, it's not. We can kind of work. I think if I can put like something dark around it, I might be able to make it pop. I'll be right back. It actually isn't that bad. I added a little dark. I added like a little dark lipstick around the edges, and I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna finish the video out looking just like this. I don't care about your judgment. No, I don't. So this next item here is the Beauty Crop, okay? And this is some blush here. And let's see what color it is. I don't wear blush. I honestly really don't know how to apply it or wear. But I think after watching a few beauty videos, I'll get the hang of it. But yeah, I do like the way that it looks here in this container. Very nice. Oh, it's very pretty. That is very pretty. Love it. But yeah, like I said, I don't know how to apply it, but I was just so curious to see what all is inside of this beauty box. And let's see, I believe, is that it? Oh, they have one more. Oh, this is a makeup blender. A mini air sponge, full coverage. Cute. I love the way it, look at how it came in there. How cute is that? Okay, and you can see the company right there. Or can you? So the name of this company is Base Blue. Okay, Base Blue sent over this item here, And how do you get it out? Oh, I got it. But yeah, that is what it looks like. Okay. Cute, simple, and small. So I'll be honest, I don't know. I guess I was expecting more inside the box, but for the price, and like I said, that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Overall, I do like the products that came in here, but I think this is just one of those companies for me. I would have to see more in order for me to decide if I want to make it a regular monthly subscription that I'll keep. So I think I'm going to try it one more time and then see what's inside that box and then give you guys my final answer. But overall, like I said, I do like the products, especially the L'Occitane. I love this serum. I use it all the time. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and you're interested in seeing another monthly subscription from Allure Box, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.